Save thousands on your taxes by renting your home to your business. Can you save several thousand tax dollars by renting your home to your business? Yes, but first, you must already be paying thousands of dollars in tax. Next, you must actually have a small business that legitimately could rent your home for 14 days during the year. This is not the home office deduction, and in most cases will exceed the home office deduction. You can even use this if you are renting your home. Tax savings could range from a few thousand to $13,000 or even more. This is Dave Horwedel, enrolled agent and CEO of Torchlight Tax and Financial Solutions. Here is how it works. Per Section 280A of the IRS Code, you can rent your home for 14 days or less per year and not report it to the IRS. If you do not report it as income, you pay no tax on it. Suppose you are in the top tax bracket, 37% federal, and either already have or set up an S corporation. The corporation then pays rent to you for the use of your home to do special events. Suppose you want to have an appreciation event for your staff and key allies for your business, and you are going to invite 15 of them for an event luncheon on the last Friday of each month. Maybe everyone gets a little award or recognition. Pictures are taken for social media. This is not mandatory for the tax deduction, but obviously we want to have a real event with a real business purpose. Happily, this also results in an amazing tax deduction. I think every business should explore ways to use events to promote more and create more income and delivery. Maybe you are a real estate broker and you want to have meetings promoting your business to people who are interested in real estate investment, or you want to meet with people who bought homes from you in the past. Let's say you can get 15 people to the event. So you need an event space for 15 with an AV setup, lunch, coffee, and pastries for the whole day. This means you also must have a kitchen, bathrooms, a digital TV, and so on. My home is in Las Vegas, and I checked around what this would cost in a nice hotel for an event of 15 people here in Las Vegas for a day. $2,900. This covered a meeting room, food, beverages, and AV support. The minimum for a group of 15 for a 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. event was over $2,900. Do not deduct food and beverages from your corporate return as they are part of your rental fee. Now, this does not mean your event has to run 8 hours, but it could. You will probably have one or two of your staff over to set up things for the event. Your clients start arriving at 11 a.m. They drink coffee and eat pastries if they want, and you have a video of interest. Lunch is Italian at 1 p.m. Have someone prepare it for you. At 2:30, you do a little talk and have them fill out some surveys or schedule consultations or some such. You should do this as if you had to spend $2,900 for the event in a hotel. Set up your home so you can deliver a very nice event like this. Make a rental agreement with your organization for whatever you feel comfortable with. Do it in writing. Send your corporation a bill. Write a check to yourself from your corporation for event rental. You can check a couple other hotels in your city if you want to confirm your pricing. Keep records of these proposals. Let's say you decide on $2,500 as a fair price for your rental for a day. Do an event on Friday, once a month. Have 2 other special events, Small Business Day, Groundhog's Day, Pearl Harbor Day, whatever. Do 14 events in a year, not 1 day more. Take nice pictures of at least one event and post it on social media. Probably a good idea to do this for all events. 14 times $2,500 equals $35,000. This expense comes off your S Corporation 1120S income tax return, reducing your net profit by $35,000. Your net profit flows from your S Corporation return 1120S to your personal return 1040. This reduces your taxable income by $35,000. Suppose you are in the 37% tax bracket. You save 0.37 times $35,000, which equals $12,950 in tax savings. This is a totally legitimate tax deduction and savings. Also, properly done, such events should increase your income. It also gives you a reason to spruce up your house. The number of attendees can be more or less than 15. The cost would be based on what a comparable event would cost at a nice hotel meeting room for that number of attendees. Your home should be comparable to a nice hotel space. If you have a big house and can take care of 50 attendees, then the comparable price for a hotel would be much higher. This is a much larger tax deduction. Maybe an apartment would only have room for 6 event attendees. It is still a worthwhile tax savings. So, book a monthly event in your home on, say, the last Friday of the month. Add on other special events to get it up to the maximum of 14 days. Do not rent your home for any other days. This would blow the whole deduction. This whole deduction is based on the fact you can rent out your home for less than 15 days, and you are not required to report the income. This is a nice tax savings that you can easily qualify for. Moreover, events are great marketing tools. Don't be dissuaded from doing events like this by the high cost of hotel meeting rooms. You can do better from your own home. These events should be well planned to result in positive recognition and income. However, positive income from the event is not required to take the deduction. Now, this is not even going to show up on your personal tax return. The IRS says you do not have to report the income for less than 14 days. Do not do this in addition to a home office deduction. Do not rent your home out to anyone else. The IRS could audit your corporate tax return. You must make sure this is properly documented. Some tax consultants might let you get away with less documentation. I would not recommend this. Here are key points to document. 1. Have a sign-in log for each event. A big logbook might work well and last for several years and be hard to lose. 2. Send a bill to your corporation for each event. They can pay by Zelle, credit card, check, or some other documentable payment. Do not simply write it as an expense on your corporate tax return. 3. Have a written program for the event. Maybe you are doing an event to promote a type of investment. Show some YouTube videos of how such investments work and put videos shown on the program. Have a question and answer period and schedule appointments. Put all this on your program. 4. Have a record of what hotels would charge you for similar events. 5. Do the event with the intention of benefiting your business. This does not mean that you must prove a profit from them. 6. Take pictures of the events and post them on social media. For myself personally, when I look at events like this, I think it could be profitable for most businesses. Now, is all this documentation necessary? Probably not. It may be overkill, but the whole intention of the event is to expand your business. Doing it this way will likely expand your business. Take advantage of this deduction to save tax dollars and build your business. Once again, this is Dave Horwedel from Torchlight Tax. You can get a free consultation on implementing this idea or other ways to reduce your business and personal taxes. Call us at 877-758-7797 or email us at info@torchlighttax.com. Also, we are assisting our clients on asset protection using LLCs and trusts and so on. For real estate investors and landlords, we also offer cost segregation and accelerated depreciation. This can be a huge tax savings most EAs and CPAs miss. We offer free consultations for all our services. If you like this video, please like it, share it, and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can be notified when we release new videos. Thanks for watching.